How to get the best Sixt rent-a-car discount promo code. Now, all you have to do first is just access any web browser you want to use and then just head directly to Sixt.com's official website, which is going to be the rent for a car. Now, once you're here, just simply create a new tab before you booked or set a specific order. So once you have created a new tab, all you have to do is go to dealpromo.net, this website right here. And once you're here on the search bar, just simply type in Sixt. Now after that, you will be given multiple options that you can use for a certain amount of discount and promos. So for example, you want this promo right here. All you have to do is just to click on that for you to be able to see the specific code. So you just have to copy it and then paste it on Sixt.com's website for you to be able to enjoy that specific code and discount. So that's it. That's how you find the best Sixt discount promo code.